So SP is 450 plus 280, then it will be 730. So gain will be, gain will be 730 minus 500. So it will be how much? 230. So gain percentage of gain, 230 divided by 500 into 100. 100 will get cancelled. If we do the cancellation, 5 4 are 20, 5 6 are 30. So that is your answer, gain percentage. A woman bought 50 dozen eggs at rupees 16 a dozen, and out of these 20 eggs were found to be broken. She sold the remaining eggs at rupees 1.50 per egg. Find her gain or loss. 1 dozen cost rupees 16. 50 dozen will be 50 into 16. So it will be CP will be 800. And number of eggs is how much? 50 dozen. 50 dozen means 50 into 12, so 600 eggs. Broken eggs how much? 20. So remaining how much? It will be 580. Okay. Sold 1 egg at rupees 1.50. So then 580 eggs will cost rupees 1.50 into 580, 870. So gain is, this one is your CP and this is your SP. So gain will be how much? 70. So gain percentage 70 by 800 into 100. So 8.75. By selling a chair for rupees 30, a dealer makes a profit of rupees 25%. Find what price did the dealer pay for it. Here CPB, see here, selling a chair for rupees 30. Here SP is given 30, profit, gain percentage is given 25%, and you have to find CP. CP has not given. So here what you have to do, you can take CP be 100. If CP is 100, then your SP will be how much? 125. CP is 100. If CP is 100, then your gain is 25 given, then SP will be how much? 125. Okay, but in this method you have your SP is given, CP is not given. So what we can write, SP be 125 when CP is equal to 100. Is it okay? So if SP be 1, then CP will be how much? 100 by 125. If SP is how much given? 30, then CP will be how much? 100 by 125 into 30. Do the multiplication, cancellation, then you will get the answer 24. If CP of 6 article, this method is also very important. You have to understand this concept properly. If CP of 6 article is equal to the SP of 4 articles, find the gain percent. Here CP of 6 article is equal to the SP of 4 article given. You have to find the gain percentage. So what you have to let? You have to let CP of each article of rupees 1. You have to let what? Let the CP of each article is of rupees 1. Then CP of 4 article will be how much? Rupees 4. Up to this process you have to copy in every question like this problem. CP of each article will be rupees 1. Then CP of 4 article, here SP of 4 article given now, but you have to write that CP of 4 article is rupees 4. So SP of 4 article, according to question what is given, SP of 4 article is equal to the CP of 6 article. But we know CP is of each article rupees 1. So CP of 6 article will be how much? Rupees 6. Is it okay? See, CP of each article is rupees 1, and therefore CP of 4 article will be how much? 4 into rupees 1. So it will be rupees 4. So SP of, according to the question what is given, SP of 4 article is equal to CP of 6 article. But we know CP of 6 article will be 6 because each article rupees 1. So 6 article rupees will be how much? 6 into rupees 1, that means it will be rupees 6. Okay. Now see, CP of 4 article is rupees 4 and SP of 4 article is rupees 6. So that means CP is equal to rupees 4 and SP is equal to rupees 6. Which one is greater? SP is greater, means it will be gain. So gain will be 6 minus 4, that is 2. So gain percentage will be gain by CP into 100. Gain is 2 and CP is 4 into 100. 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 100. So 2 5s are 10. Then it will be 250, 50%. A man sold 2 paintings at rupees 924 each. On one he gains 20% and on the other he loses 20%. How much does he gain or lose in the whole transaction? Total, he has sold 2 paintings at rupees 924. The first case, SP sold. That means SP will be 924. On one he gains profit. He gains how much? 20%. So if here also CP is not given. No. So if CP be 100, SP will be how much? 120. SP is equal to 120. Here also you have to reverse the term. SP is equal to 120, then CP will be 100. If SP equal to 1, CP will be this one. SP is 924, CP will be 100 by 120 into 90 interim matter. So CP will be 770. Now second case. Here also SP 924, but here he loses how much? 20%. So L will be 20%. So CP be 100, then SP will be how much? Here it becomes the loss. So if it lost, then from SP your 20 will be deducted. So SP will be how much? 800 minus 20, that means it will be 80. So if SP is 80, CP will be 100. SP is 1, CP will be 100 by 80. But in question SP is given 924, so CP will be this one, 100 by 80 into 924, that means 1155. So total how much CP you are getting? 770 and 1155. So and SP is given how much? Both the cases 924, 98 means 1848, and CP is 770 and 1155. So it is 1925. So which one is greater? CP is greater. If CP is greater, that means it is loss. So loss will be how much? 1925 minus 1848. So it will be 77. So loss percentage, loss by CP into 100%. Like this calculation if you do, you will get the answer as a 4%. MCQ. A grocer mixes 26 kg of tea which cost rupees 20 a kg with 30 kg of tea which cost rupees 36 a kg and sells the mixture at a 30 kg. His profit percent you have to find. CP 26 kg of tea with cost 20 a kg. That means 26 kg tea with cost 20 kg per rupees 20 per kg. So 26 into 20, since 26 kg are there, each kg cost is rupees 20. So 26 kg will be how much? 26 into 20. With 30 kg of tea with a cost of rupees 36. So 30 into 36, that means 1080. This altogether it is CP. And then after he sells the mixture at 30 kg. Total how much? 26 plus 30, that means how much? 56. So total 56 kg he sell at rupees 30. So 56 into 30, that means 1630, 1680. So which one is bigger? SP is bigger, that means it will be profit. Profit means SP minus CP, then 80 you will get. So then profit percentage P by CP into 100, so 80 by 1600. Then you apply the formula, you will get the answer. A cycle is sold for rupees 880 at a loss of 20%. For how much should it be sold to gain 10%? SP is how much given? 880 given. Loss is given 20%. So first of all, your aim is to find the CP. So if CP is 100, SP 80. So SP 80, CP will be 100. SP is equal to 1. Then CP will be 100 by 80. If SP is 880 given, CP is 1100. We have got the CP. But the question it is given, for how much he should sold to gain 10%. First, this one is the first transaction he is doing. Then he has he has earned a loss. So to gain 10%, what he has to do with this CP? So that means CP is 1100 and your gain is given how much? Gain percentage 10% given. So you have to let CP be 100, SP 110, CP is 1, SP equal to 110 by 100. If CP is 1100, then you will get the answer. Understood? Listen to this question properly. Sanjay purchased 125 stool at the rate of rupees 120 per stool. One total number of stool is 125 and each stool cost is 120. The transport expenditure was rupees 250. Transport expenditure is 250. He paid octroi at the rate of rupees 2 per stool and the coolie charges was 250. What should be the selling price of each stool if he wants a profit of 10%? So CP will be how much? Total, first of all, he buys with the rupees of purchase with rupees of 125, 120 each stool. So number of stool 125, so 125 into 120. After that, transport expenditure was 250. He paid octroi at the rupees 2 per stool. Rupees 2 per stool means how much? 125. So 2 into 125. And then coolie charges was how much? 250. So all together it is CP. After that, SP is we don't know. Gain percentage is given 10%. So if CP is 100, in this case also CP we know, but SP we don't know. So in this case also you have to take what? If percentage given, either CP or SP given, then you have to take one thing, kept one thing in your mind, that you have to take CP be 100. So let CP be 100, SP is equal to 110. If CP is equal to 1, SP equal to 110 by 100. So CP is how much? 15,750. Then your SP will be this much. So selling price will be 17,325. With this, your 9D exercise is complete. We will discuss 9E afterwards.